Okay, here I just say OneDrive. So we'll continue with OneDrive, OneDrive dot live, I think, live.com login. Yes. So OneDrive.live.com. If you type it, it will take you. But initially, you will have the free. Okay, you can use the free connection. Okay, and it will not ask you any card, I believe. Okay, but Microsoft site, I have used my credit card because for the pro license. Okay, and for other thing also we have used it. Here, if you see here, right, you have an option like upload here. So here, if you click on the files, you can upload a specific file, and you have an option here like a folder. If you, instead of loading the files right separately, you can select the folder option also. But with free, you will be having only 5 GB free space available. Look here, and 4.45 GB of, in my case, I've used this much. Okay, 4.45 GB already used it. Okay, and yeah, so this is enough for learning purpose of this much space. Okay, and here I have already uploaded the couple of files here, the XLSX and consumer data.xlsx files. These are the files that I already uploaded it here. And what I do is I just go to the Power BI desktop. I'm going to launch that. So until it launches, what I will write, I just look here. This is the file I wanted to, load it in my Power BI desktop. What you need to do is, in order to connect to OneDrive, you select the file, okay, whichever file that you want to import it in your Power BI desktop, and right click on it. And here you will find embed option. You just click on embed. On the right side, you will find the iframe here. Look here, the iframe option, and you need to copy this one. Select the file which you wanted to load it into Power BI desktop. Right click on it. You will, on the right bottom, you'll find the iframe script here. And what you do is you just go to your notepad. You just paste it here. Okay. Here, all you need to do is you just select only the HTTPS. From HTTPS to till this one, you need to select it. And then here we need to replace the embed by download. And then what you need to do is at the end of it, you need to specify the ampersand sign. And you need to specify app equals to Excel. Okay, I just copy this, keep it ready. It got open. But if you click on the get data, you will not find any specific connector for OneDrive. This is the way you need to do it. Okay, it's the roundabout way of doing it. The other option is you just click on the file and open this file. See, when you click on it, what will happen is it will open up, and then Okay, sorry, not here. And then if you see file info, and here the copy path will be there. Okay, in my case, I'm using some software. Okay, it's not the original license. Okay, hence the copy path is not visible here. You can click on the copy path, the link, you will get the link. Okay, the other best option, this is the one. Select the file, right click on it. On the in the context menu, you will find the okay. So you will find the embed. When you click on this, you will get this iframe link. And then here you need to do this kind of customization for the iframe. And I just copy this one. Now I just go to Power BI desktop and I click on the get data. And here web, we need to use web connector. It's being loaded now. Oh, I don't know. So let me just redo it one more time. Here everything is correct. Instead of embed, I replace that by download. And then ampersand app is equal, sorry, okay, amp is equivalent to Excel. It's correct only 2, right? Okay, let me try it out one more time. So I'm not sure why it is not. It is not getting copied here. I don't know. It should copy. Sometimes it will not be visible. Yeah, it is not getting copied. Some problem happened in my thing here. I think some virus problem. I don't know. So if you see here, okay, let me do one thing. I will just close it and restart it. Yeah, now it works. Sometimes it will cause some confusions like this. So now at last we got the preview window. Here, if you see here, there are two sheets are there, consumers data. I just select this one. I can see all the necessary columns that are required as part of data set that is available here. And here, one second, just let me close this and customer key and the same thing. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just select this one, hit OK. It's pretty simple, isn't it? So what are the steps involved here? The first step is you need to sign into your OneDrive account. And then the next step is select the file which you wanted to use it in your Power BI desktop. Okay, and then right click on it. When you right click on it, you will find the embed option. When you click on the embed, the iframe script will get generated. You can copy that and put it in a notepad. And then the next step is you just select only the HTTPS till this end. Okay, and then you put it here. And the next step is replace the download. You will embed, right? Replace the embed by download. And then at the end of it, you need to put ampersand EPPQ to Excel. Okay, so when you specify like this, it will work. Okay, if you cannot directly specify this one, it will not work. Okay, and with this you'll be able to. So there are three steps, right? So you got it right. This is how you can connect to OneDrive and you can pull this file. And other thing is, if you install OneDrive in your application, your laptop, you can enable synchronization. Okay, here for example, I don't know how many of you are using OneDrive. Go disconnect OneDrive. You can install it in your laptop also. You can go and do Googling and download and install. Okay, and which library do you want to sync? Here it is not there. Okay, library name I will have to pick up there. And here look here, the OneDrive already did it. Once you install it, you will find this one. Okay, the link. Okay, you need to download OneDrive app from the Google, and then you install it. And then you will find the folder here itself. What are the file? You see it here. You can synchronize it with your local laptop also. I think this is very common. I think most of you are using OneDrive, right? It's a very simple one. And dim category, consumers, all the files. Supposing I wanted to load some file from here from my folder, any one of the existing folder to the cloud, the OneDrive. I meant cloud here, the OneDrive. Here. Supposing I want to upload folder connector with multiple sheets to OneDrive, and if I put it in this folder, this one will get synchronized here. And if you refresh it, it'll take some time to synchronize. Look here, the folder connector with multiple files. This one will get synchronized automatically. Either you can take the file, copy the file from your D drive or C drive and put it in your OneDrive folder. Once you install the OneDrive app, you can find this this one also as part of your folders. Okay, and the next one is either you can copy the files that are available D drive or C drive into this one. This one will get automatically uploaded here, which means it will get synchronized. Okay, so while installing it, it will ask you, which path you wanted to which library you wanted to sync up. You don't have to give anything there. Simply if you install it, you will, after installation of the OneDrive app in your laptop, you will find this thing here. Okay, either you can copy the file here, copy and you can drag and drop it here. This one will get automatically reflected here. The other option is whatever the files that you uploaded here, that one will be visible here. Okay. And for example, if I go here and click on get data and Excel workbook. And here you will be able to see the OneDrive. Here also you will be seeing that. And then here you will see all the files here. Look here, this is another way of loading the data. So in this case, you don't have to do all the things. But when you work on the real life project, real-time projects, right? You will be accessing the customer system remotely. There are cases, VPN, right? We have used a VPN to connect to the customer's laptop remotely, and then we develop all the, we create the reports and do the data models and everything in their system. Will be doing it remotely. So in that kind of situation, you will not be able to install the OneDrive app and all. There are cases the customer, they already installed it. You can go and connect. You can pick up the files from here, whatever files that you want to connect it. In case they say the files are available in OneDrive, you can, like how I did it. For example, just click on Excel, like how you pick up the files from other drive, right? So D drive, C drive, the same way, OneDrive will also become part of your system's drive. And you will find all the Excel files, what are the files, and you can select it here. In this case, you don't have to generate, you don't have to take the iframe script, and you don't have to modify. Okay. But usually when you work on this, right, you will not have that luxury. Okay. So in that case, the other option is, like I said, you right click on it, and then what you do is you just open this. When you open, yeah, this is the option, open in app. So this is the option. Usually they will recommend you, customers to, they will recommend you to use this option. It opens an app in my local system. Okay, look here. Wait. What file I opened it? Consumers data. Okay, this is the one. And if you go to the file menu, and if you see the info, here you should be able to see the copy path, but that option is not available because with my software, I have some limitations. Okay, the whatever that one I installed here, I cannot get that thing option, copy path. If when you click on the copy path, it will give you the link. That link you can come and paste it in the web here directly. You don't have to do these kind of gimmicks. Okay, but this is another option. Okay, that this also explained you. Okay, so I understood how to connect to OneDrive, and next one is GitHub. Also, I will show you. What we will do is I just click on the web here. So this is my GitHub site. And here I have a CSV file. You can also create create some account in GitHub. If you already have it, then it is good. You can try it out this one also. Okay. For example, if I just opened a CSV file in my GitHub folder, I just right click on it and copy it. So what is GitHub? Anybody has any idea? I think most of you are using GitHub, right? GitHub.csv. When I click on OK, it will open up a preview window. But this, whatever you see it in the preview window, is not helpful. Okay, it is not, you cannot see the data, and you will find something like HTML tag, and most of them are not much helpful here. You just click on cancel, and in the case of CSV file, you need to click on the raw button here. Can you see it here? You need to click on the raw button here. Even if you open the file on GitHub, the next step you need to hit this button raw. Okay, when you hit this button raw, you can see the data, something like this. You'll find something like this, and then you will find in the URL raw.github user content, right? So you right click on it, copy this, and then you can paste it here, web. Control V and hit OK now. You can find the CSV file here. That's all. Next one is load. So, okay, we have enough data available in our system. Now you understood how to connect to GitHub. It is pretty simple. For you, the assignment is you just create the account in GitHub and load an Excel file. Okay, you can load an Excel file. And you have every liberty to do Googling. Okay, go and search it. And then if any Excel files are there, how you can load it, right? You just give it a try.